For us to graph this cube root function, and to do so, I'm going to give us an x and a y table here, and know that I am going to be plugging in x values here that give me nice and easy math to deal with. I want to get nice simple cube roots like -1, or the cube root of 0, or the cube root of 1, or even like the cube root of 8 would be simple to deal with here. But I want to plug in the right x values. So first one I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in, this one doesn't have anything happening on the inside here, so the easiest thing would just be 0, because then when I plug in 0 into the function, I get cube root of 0, which is 0, 0 times 5 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So there's my first point. Second point, I want to get to a cube root of -1, so I'm going to plug in -1. So y equals 5 times the cube root of -1, which is 5 times -1, which ends up getting us +4. So when I plug in -1, gives me is that right? That doesn't look right. Hold on a second. 5, -4. Ha 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 ha. My fault. Simple math mistakes. Okay, so when I plug in -1, I get -4. That's this point right here. And then one more I'll plug in is 1, y equals 5 times the cube root of 1 plus 1, which is 5 times 1, which is just 6. So 1, 6. Now this one is very kind of elongated, but I still should have like this general S shape that I get here. So something kind of like this. It's not perfect, but as long as we get the general shape of it here, we should be good to go.